Keeping your kitchenware clean and safe is essential for food safety. Overloading your dishwasher might seem convenient, but it can compromise cleanliness and safety. Here's why you should avoid it. Incomplete cleaning. When dishes are crammed together, water and detergent can't reach all surfaces, leaving harmful bacteria behind. Cross-contamination risk. Overcrowding can lead to bacteria spreading from one dish to another, especially if some items weren't fully cleaned. Proper sanitization. Dishwashers need space to ensure high temperatures and detergent can do their job effectively. Overloading reduces the chances of thorough sanitization. Load your dishwasher with enough space between items to ensure thorough cleaning and sanitization. Food safety starts with clean kitchenware.